Hey guys, it's Panda Man, and today we're going to be building an Arduino police siren to put on my RC car. So I got this Elegoo Super Starter Kit from Amazon, and it's got an off-brand Arduino and a bunch of motors, servos, wires, and what I'm interested in is the LEDs and the passive buzzer. So I'm going to use a red and a blue LED for the police lights, and the passive buzzer is going to make the siren noise. So let's get to work. Okay, now I got the whole setup programmed with the Elegoo Super Starter Kit tutorial. So, if you look at this, you can see if I hit the power button, it prints power. If I hit this button, it just prints all their names. So I can use that to control it. Okay, so I'm not going to be doing the lights because I just can't get it to work. I've double checked everything. I think it might be something loose because there were a couple of bent metal parts. So the next part's pretty simple. I don't need any of this. I can just get two of these wires, grab the buzzer, I'm going to upload this as a test to see how well this is working for the wiring. Okay, that works. Okay, I just downloaded the final code, so let's see if it works. Okay. Perfect. Okay. So now I gotta figure out a way to mount this to my car. Yes, I used tape. Is there a problem? So. Works fine. So now I'm gonna plug this truck in and drive it around and scare Brendan. That's the end of this video. Like it if you liked it, subscribe for more, and see ya.